Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile background theme on your Xbox Series X. So if I go up to settings right here and select this, then go general and go to personalization, I can go to profile right here, and I can go to customize my profile. Then you can see my Xbox Game Pass profile right here. And I want to go to where it says change theme. So I'm using like a Minecraft theme in the background. So I can change this, and I can go to some games I own, like here's Gears of War, and I can change the theme right here. Here are some Xbox ones down here, and then what are these? Let's not go to those. Let's go to the original and see what that looks like. Then the 360. So I can use this as my background instead of like the Minecraft one. Just make sure you set it, otherwise it will only be like a preview. So let's try the Gears of War one. Then to save the selection, press the button with the 3 lines on it. And then this should be applied to your actual profile, and you should be good to go. Let's go to done now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.